Yo, what is up, guys? I'm back, to make an update with the car. And I was gonna make a whole video on installing the big brake kit, which was what I was doing today. But the day just went by too fast, and I had to go back and forth from store because after we did the front, my wheel wouldn't clear it. So I already had a 15 mil spacer and it still wouldn't clear, so I had to order a 20 mil. And so far, this is how it's looking. Everything's installed already, the rotor, the brake, the stainless steel line. All I need is the spacer. And then also got some lugs coming in. There's some pretty hot boy lugs. There's some 326 power lugs, some gold ones too to go with the whole, the whole gold theme I'm going with. The rear is done. And that's how it's looking with the rear. It's sitting pretty nice. I'm supposed to get everything hopefully by Tuesday. Today is Sunday. I gotta start prepping for Slammedenuff this weekend. On Sunday, it's gonna be my birthday. And, we'll see some people out there. If you see me, you can go say hi, check out the car. I also have a new lip. It's just in my room right now. I'm waiting to do the oil change, and then I'm gonna install this. Kind of just finishing it up. But yeah. I wish I would have made at least not an install video, but just a sped up video of me doing the install. But since there was so much going on and I didn't really have time. It took me almost all day. But yeah. This is the car's looking so far, and hopefully my fitment for the front should look kind of like my rear once I are out, because it was really flush on the front, which looked really nice, and now with the extra 5 mil, I wonder if it's gonna look like the rear, because the rear sits on my lip, and I'm hoping, since it was a 20 mil now with the new spacer, hopefully it looks clean with the fitment. And the last video you guys saw, my car looks a lot different. I got my headlights done, I got new wheels, I got side skirts, and then I got my favorite, the Blitz exhaust with the third brake light. Definitely makes it look a lot cleaner and aggressive. And I'm super excited for this weekend. Slammedenuff is gonna be my first indoor car show. And then, yeah, let me know what you guys think, and I'm gonna try my best to make a video once I'm out there just showing the cars and just showing my experience. And then I'm gonna try to get as many videos out there as I can. So show some support, follow the Instagram. I'll drop it down in the link in the description. And then if you guys want to see more about say the headlights, who did them for me, where I got my big brake kit and stuff like that, I'll let you guys know. Just make sure to comment if you have any other questions. Just let me know. That front lip, that right there, should be getting replaced. It looks like it's missing a tooth. It's pretty busted, if I'm driving low sometimes. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, you guys want to keep following the channel, keep the update on the Q, just make sure to subscribe.